this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a FXIFY affiliate account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to FXIFY.com. Also put a link to it down in the description. From here you should bring something like this. And here now we need to create the FXIFY affiliate account. And to do that you'll need to go up to where it says become a partner. Once you've done that, you'll see the join the FXIFY TM affiliate program right here. From here you'll just need to click become partner, and then you'll need to fill in all these information down here like first name, last name, your email address, re-enter your email address, your username, birthday, country, phone number, or just a phone code, password, and confirm your password. From here, you also need to declare that you have agreed to the terms and conditions, that you acknowledge that the details provided are correct, and only one registration is allowed per client, and multiple registration will be terminated. You can also click here if you want to get contact like live calls or emails from FXIFY if you want to do that, but this is optional. From here you'll just need to click sign up. Then from here you'll need to go to the process where you can add in your KYC and your payment detail. Once you've done that, FXIFY will look at your application and give you an email whether or not you have been accepted into the affiliate program. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!